Scott House, circa 1908, built in the Dutch colonial revival style. Dr. Charles J. Scott and his wife Evelyn acquired one of the last lots on the Deming estate to build their Dutch colonial revival home in 1908. This architectural style, characterized by a gambrel roof, features a stone first floor and wood shingle-clad upper floors. The Scotts lived here with their daughter, Winifred, and a servant, Hallie Slack, according to 1910 census records. In 1913, Watson F. Tate, an oil producer, and his wife Eliza Jane purchased the house and expanded the lot in 1914. The home stayed in the same family through marriage until it was sold in 1999 by Isabel Kofer. Isabel is responsible for the footprint of the elaborate gardens that she was known for diligently maintaining, and that remain a focus of the current owners. In 2018, the home underwent significant restoration, including new sandstone front steps, sunburst medallion and trim reproductions, and new front and back porch balustrades. 1111 Juliana was built of Indiana limestone and cedar shingles and features 10 main rooms, 6 fireplaces, 2 staircases, 9 antique crystal chandeliers, oak floors, and 10-foot ceilings throughout. The elegant floor plan features a large central area on both floors, which opens to each room. To the right of the foyer, the home's library is adorned with a rich walnut-beamed ceiling, leaded glass built-in bookcases, and 3 stained glass windows, each with a musical instrument. To the left, a rounded front parlor, powder room, expansive dining room, walk-through butler's pantry, and modern kitchen complement the first floor. The main staircase, with a large stained glass window, leads to the second floor, where an open landing with barrel vault ceiling opens to 5 bedrooms, 2 more baths, and a staircase to the third floor.